Hello, dear students. Let's start a new chapter, chapter number 7, Study of Gas Laws. This chapter from class 10th, class 9th in subject chemistry. Let's open your chemistry book and come on the page number 113, 113. So, introduction about this chapter. So, as you know that there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. Three common state of the matter. But right now, two other state of matter also discovered by the scientist: plasma and Bohr condensed particles. But these two matter was not familiar to us or most of the people. But so generally there are mainly three state of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. Each of three state of matter differ in their properties, like differ in their shape. The density of solid, liquid, and gases also differ to each other. The diffusion properties of the solid, liquid, and gases differ. The volume of the solid, liquid, and gases differ to each other. Their compressibility, etc., differ to each other. That means differ in the case of solids, liquid, and gases. Their shape are different among them. Their density, diffusions, properties, volumes, and compressibility. All their properties are differ to each other in all three states. Now, the difference in their properties can be successfully explained by the help of kinetic molecular theory of matter. So, kinetic molecular theory of matter successfully explain the differences of their properties. That means differences in their shapes, density, diffusion properties, volumes, and compressibility among solid, liquid, and gases. As you know that gaseous state is the simplest of all the three physical states of matter as compared to the solid and liquid. Gases generally show uniform behavior under similar condition of temperature and pressure. That means under similar condition of temperature and pressure, the same amount of the same volume of the gases, different gases occupied by all the different gases, and the same amount of the pressure, also same amount of the volumes, their properties of the motion also similar on the similar condition of the temperature and pressure. Now, the kinetic molecular theory of the gas or matter is able to explain the properties and behavior of gases under different condition of temperature and pressure. Kinetic molecular theory. Kinetic term related to the motion, molecular term related to the molecule and the theory. So, the theory of the molecules due to their motions is called the kinetic molecular theory. The kinetic molecular theory help to explain the properties and behavior of gases under different conditions of temperature and pressure. Now, the next topic: properties and behavior of gases and their explanation on the basis of molecular motion. So, the gases have the different properties, gases have the different behavior, and that properties and behavior depend on the temperature and pressure. So let's see, we are going to explain the properties and behavior of gases on the basis of molecular motions. So before going to explain their properties and behavior, first you see the motion of atom and molecule in solid and liquid is restrained by the intermolecular force of attraction between the particles. So as you know that the molecules, all matter are made up of the particles, and that particles are called molecules. So molecule of the solid and liquids are bounded by a strong intermolecular force, attracted by a strong intermolecular force between the particles. So due to the strong intermolecular force of attraction, the motion of the atoms or molecules in solid and liquid is restricted or restrained. But the attraction force, intermolecular force of attraction between the gas molecule is very, very less. So the gas molecules always in the motion at room temperature. The vigor of the motion depend upon the temperature. The vigorosity of the motion of the molecule depends on the temperature. When the temperature will increases, then the motion of the molecules of gases will also increases, also in the liquid also increases. So scientists try to explain the behavior of the gases or properties of the gases on the basis of kinetic theory of matter. Kinetic theory of matter that related to the motion. So let's say the different types of the properties of the gases. The first property of the gases, composition of gases. So as you know that all matter or all gases are made up of particle, teeny particle. So the gases are made up of teeny particle, and that particles are called molecules. Molecules which having the nature to moving. So molecule move in all possible direction at high speeds. All possible direction with high speeds. The molecules of gases moving in all possible directions at high speeds, and the size of the molecule is negligible as compared to the volume occupied by the gases. So the size of the molecule of gas, if you consider in a container, then the size of the molecule of gas is very small in size as compared to the volume occupied by the total gas in a containers. The size of the molecule is very, very small or negligible in their size as compared to the size of the volume occupied by the gas. Now the second property of the gases is gases do not have a definite shape or volume. So as you know that the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules of or particles of the gases is very, very weak. So the molecule of the gases are free to move. So due to their free to movement, they occupy the entire volume of the container. So they occupy the entire volume of the containers. That's why they do not have the definite shape and the volumes. So their shape is not fixed. when we keep a definite volume of a gas in a particular room, then the gas occupy the total space of the rooms. If we taken that particular volume of a gas in a particular container, then the gas occupy the total space of the containers. So the gas do not have a particular volume or particular shape. Now the next property of gas. Gas exerts pressure in all directions. So as you know that the intermolecular force between the molecule of a gas is very weak. So the molecule of gas continuously move in all directions in zigzag like fashions, and they collide to the another molecules to each others, and also they collide with the inner wall of the containers. So their collision with the inner wall of the containers, they exert a pressure. Now the molecule of a gas are in a state of rapid zigzag motion in a space, and they collide with each other with the wall of vessels containing them, and thus exert a certain amount of force on the wall of the container. Collision amount for the pressure exerted by a gas on an average, the same number of molecules strike a given surface in per unit time. Hence, the pressure is exerted uniformly in all directions. So, when a molecule of a gas strike to that molecule of a gas, then that molecule of gas again apply a force on that molecule of gas, and this type of force occurs in all molecules, within all molecules. So the gas exert pressure in all direction. Now the next property of gas is gases have low density. So first, what is the density? Density equal to the mass occupied by the matter in a particular volume. That means density equal to mass by volumes. So the mass occupied by matter in per unit volume is called the density. So in case of gas, the intermolecular force of attraction is very weak. So the molecules of gas is far away from each other. So in a particular volume, the lesser amount of the molecule of gas present, so their weight or mass is also less as compared to the solid and liquid. So the gases have low density. So due to large intermolecular space, the number of molecule per unit volume of a gas is lower than solid and liquid. Hence gases have a lower density as compared to the solid and liquid. The next property of the gas is gases diffuse easily and form homogeneous mixture. When some amount of desired gas added in a particular container, then the intermolecular space present in the gaseous molecule is very large. So the desired amount of the gases easily move to here and there as a zigzag like fashions, and they occupy the whole space of the container in a particular gas. So to that reasons, the gas can diffuses to each others and form a homogeneous mixture. Let's see, the molecule of other substance fill up the large intermolecular space present in gases. The intermingling of molecule of different substances is called diffusion. Hence the gas diffuse easily and form homogeneous mixture. Next property of gases. Gases are highly compressible. The intermolecular space between the gases is very large. So when we applying the pressure on the gas in a particular container, then the gas molecules which having the far away from each other, that gas molecules get close contact to each other because they have a large intercellular space. So they fill the intercellular space, intermolecular space. So gases are highly compressible. So due to the presence of large intermolecular spaces in them, when a gas is compressed, that is pressure on it is increased, the molecules come close to each other and decrease the volume of the gas. Due to that reason, the gases are highly compressible. Now the next property of gases is gases are highly expansible. The gases are highly expansible also. The volume of a given mass of a gas can considerably be increased either by reducing pressure on it or by increasing temperature. The gases are highly expansible. When we reduce the pressure upon the container or upon a gas, the gas molecules move far away from each other, so they easily expand. Due to decrease of or reducing of the pressure on a gas molecule, the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecule will decreases. That's why they easily move far away from to each other, and that reasons gases are highly expansible. This increases the intermolecular spaces and the volume of gases increases. So when pressure decreases on the gas, the volume of the gases will increases, because due to decrease the intermolecular forces between the gas molecules and increases the intermolecular space, so gas become expanded. And another reason of expansion of the gases is the temperature. On the other hand, when temperature is increased, the kinetic energy of molecule also increases. So the kinetic energy of the molecule is directly proportional to the temperature. When the temperature will increase, the kinetic energy of the molecule of a gas will increases, and due to the increase of their kinetic energy, the motion of the gaseous molecule will also increases, and due to increase of their motions, the molecules moves far away from each other, and due to movement far away from each other of the gas molecules, their volume will increases and gas become easily expanded. The molecule move apart, leading to increase in the intermolecular space. As a result, the volume of gas increases. So this is all about the properties of gases and their explanations on the basis of kinetic molecular theory. Okay, thank you. Have a nice